Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Mailmerge is a useful tool that allows you to produce multiple letters, lists, database, or spreadsheets at once. Now, when performing a Mailmerge, you'll need a Word document. So you can start with an existing one like I do have, or create a new one, and then have a recipient list, which is typically an Excel workbook. So I'll take you through how to perform a Mailmerge step by step. Now, to use Mailmerge, open an existing Word document or create a new one, whichever you prefer. So I have an existing Word document. Then from the mailing tabs, click on the Start Mailmerge command. Then from the drop-down menu, select Step-by-Step Mailmerge Wizard. Now the Mailmerge will appear over here, it is, and guide you through the 6 main steps to complete a merge. Now step number 1, from the Mailmerge pane, select the document, the type of document you want to create. So in my example, I'll work with the letter. So select letter, then click on Next Starting Document, and it will take you to step 2. Now in step 2, select the Use the current document. So from here you can use the current document, start from a template, or start from existing document. So I'll use the current document, then click Next, select Recipients to move to step 3. Now you'll need an address list, so Word can automatically place each address into the document. Now the list can be in an existing file, such as an Excel workbook, or you can type a new address list from within the Mailmerge wizard. So I'll come to type a new list since I don't have one, then click on Create. Then from here, I'll create my new recipient info. So my title is MS Word. First name, I'll give out Peter. Last name, I'll go to new entry, same title, but different person. Maybe, let's see, Jerry. So, okay, let me add another one, just the last one, same title. Then, and then once I'm done, I'll click on OK. Give it a file name. I'll name it MS Word again. Then click on Save. Then here it is. Then I'll click on OK. Then click on Next. Write your letter to move to the 4th step. Now you're ready to write your letter. When it's printed, each copy of the letter will basically be the same. Only the recipient data, such as the name and address, will be different. And you'll need to add a placeholder for the recipient data, so Mailmerge knows exactly where to add the data. So if you want to insert recipient data, place the insertion point in the document where you want the information to appear. So I'll place mine here, then choose one from here. So you can choose an electronic postage, more items, there are more items, an address block, and a greeting line. So I'll add an address block, then choose a format. I'll choose this one, then click on OK. Then add a greeting line, then click on OK. You can select which format you want, then click on OK, and then it will be added. Then once you're done inserting that, you can click on Next, preview your letters to go to step 5. Now preview the letters to make sure your information from the recipient list appears correctly in the letter, and you can use the left and right scroll arrows, which are over here, to see that. You can see I had 3 recipients, and anytime I click on this, it will show me how that information will appear. And once you're satisfied with that, you click Next, complete the merge to move to step 6. So we've moved now to step 6. Now click Print to print the letters. Now from here, you can select whether you want to print all of the letters, the current document, or only one of the letters. So I'll select click all, print all records, then click OK. Then the print pane will appear, and then from here I can change the settings, adjust the print settings if needed, then click OK. So here is where I'll do the adjustments. Then once I'm done, I'll click OK, and then the letters will be printed with individual addresses to the people I've addressed them to. So I'll have one letter for Mary and Jerry, one for Peter, one for Anne Daniel.